Hi everyone, I'm Gladly Padilla, PSITPN, and today I'll be presenting personal portfolio design using Adobe XD. I'll walk through the layout, the fonts, the colors I use, and later switch to prototype to show interactions. Let's start with the background. So here's the background. I set the background to color C2 for BA3 because it's giving it a creative and vibrant look. Next is I added a polygon element here with the color CCB2B2. So nilagyan ko lang ang madami dito, tatlo, naka-home. Because it is as design accents to balance the page. At the top, I place my name here, like G Padilla, using the font. So this stout, size 20. For the main title naman is itong personal portfolio. I use the Algerian font and 250 size to make it bold and eye-catching. The navigation bar is styled with imprint MT shadow, size 20. And naglagay rin lang ako dito ng rectangle. And shinape ko siyang ganyan para maging button siya. And the buttons have a background color. So, yung background color niya naman is FBB1PE. The sections include home, about, projects, skills, and contact. Here is I inserted my professional photo inside a circular frame. So, itong picture na nakalagay dito is pinaste ko lang siya. Next to it is I added the banner that says, "Hi, I'm Blight G. Padilla." The word "Hi and I'm" is highlighted with a color black. And the text na "Hi and I'm" or "Hi, I'm" is styled gold stout, and the font size naman is 40. And yung Blight G. Padilla is 43 size. And naglagay din lang ako dito ng rectangle and sinip ko siyang ganito and para ma-highlight yung name. Finally, the tagline, "Professional growth and creative passion captured in one portfolio." So, ang font nito ay Gloucester MT and the size naman, yung font size niya is 45. Moving on the about section. Dito naman tayo sa about. Naglagay lang din ulit ako dito ng rectangle. And yung background color ng rectangle na nilagay ko dito is FBB1CE. And yung word na about is, yung font niya is imprint empty shadow. And yung font size naman is 70. And naglagay lang din ulit ako dito ng polygon. Gaya nung nandito. Dito naman sa description, the description text is in font is to, and the font size is 51. With a soft background color of rectangle is FBC0C0. Itong rectangle lang din, naglagay din lang ako. This section explain my growth, creativity, and professional journey. And dito naman sa my projects, I displayed some of my projects. For example, a CRUD application in MS SQL and a UI design sample. This section shows my practical skills and outputs. In-insert ko lang tong mga picture dito. And naglagay lang din ulit ako ng polygon dito. Bali magkapareho lang yung sa about and my projects na design. In the skills part naman po, so dito, ganun din lang po, pareho lang din sila dito sa my project. Pareho lang yung about my project skills ng designs. And naglagay din lang ako dito ng polygons. I added 4 skills: adaptability, SQL, knowledge, collaboration, and designing user-friendly interfaces. The color scheme includes like, so dito is yung font nung adaptable or yung mga nakalagay dito na skills is Times New Roman bold and 55 font size. And ito is naglagay rin lang ako ng rectangle and then I shape it ganito. And pinalitan ko lang yung background color to FBC0C0. And dito naman sa knowledge of SQL databases and data management is ganun lang din. Pero iba lang yung background color nito. So ang background color nito is D28787. Lastly, the contact section includes my social media icons, Facebook, Instagram, and yung sa message or yung numbers, along with my contact number for easy reach. So, itong mga icon dito, itong Facebook icon is, kumuha lang ako sa browser. And ganun din lang dito sa my message and IG. And pinaste ko lang dito or in-insert. And then nilagay ko yung name ko, name ng Facebook, sa IG and yung number ko para madali akong makontak if ever. Now, I'll switch to prototype mode. To connect the navigation bar, each button will link to its corresponding section. So, itong home is, i-connect lang natin siya dito. Double tap. So, itong home is nakakonect siya dito sa my first page or yung pinaka-home din lang sa my personal portfolio. So, ganito ang ginawa ko. Double tap and then ito. Ayaw. So, ganun din lang sa about, double tap, and then punta ka lang, i-connect mo siya sa about. Ganun din sa project, connect mo din dito sa my projects, sa skills, ganun din lang sa contact. So, kung titingnan natin is, this way when a user clicks on the navigation, the page will smoothly transition to the correct section. This adds interactive and a real website feel to the profile portfolio design. So, when we click the home, is mapupunta siya sa home. So, ito ang aking home. And kapag click mo yung about, mapupunta din siya dito sa may about. Nakalagay dito sa about ko is, this portfolio shows my growth through creativity and development and professional ways. It contains the skills that I have collected over time, from coding to design and solving problems to collaboration. Each project included reflects my ability to turn ideas into real solutions and my passion for the continuous learning. Every achievement is not only a mile marker of my dedication but also an onwards stepping stone toward the attainment of my excellence. This work is more than collection. It is my professional journey and passion for creativity. If gusto mo naman pumunta sa my projects, click this navigation bar and then magpapakita na yung projects. And ganun din sa lahat. Skills, contacts, or contact. And that completes my personal portfolio design in Adobe XD. I demonstrate the layout, colors, typography, and also created interactions in prototype